I have started to invent and construct since I was a kid. I still suppose Lego is the best thing that a boy can have. All my albums and diaries were full of different schemes and technical sketches. I made my first invention when I was 5. That was a new type of hinge connection. I also invented a couple of car units, including original suspension variations. By the way, one of my last inventions is also mechanical. That's my own model of current interrupter in Tesla oscillator. It allows you to get a few thousand volts in primary coil easy and helps to manage without mercury interrupter. After school I graduated Kazan Aviation Institute, but I still think that my golden education age was a short time after it in Austria. Blessed time when I learned any subject that I wanted to, fundamental physics, electrotechnics, energy and power machine building. I've uploaded first videos on YouTube because I hadn't got enough storage on my small laptop to keep it there. That were the videos of my homemade experiments. You still can find it on my channel. At the time I used to learn Viktor Grebenikov's cavity structural effect and the ways of increasing it with electromagnetic field. A lot of people all over the world began to suggest better schemes or recommend new ideas for my apparatus. That was cool. I understood that it's very useful to share your experiments with the world, and of course it was fun also. Last few years my main course is researching of hydrogen fuel technologies. Also I work as an organizer in international technical exhibitions and try to find time for YouTube channel. Usually I work from 5 o'clock in the morning till midnight, but I also love night activity because no one interrupts me and I can totally concentrate on my work. Every day I get up at 5 and go to the workout. It is essential part of my energy philosophy. My workout is much more than just a simple fitness routine. That is full meaning Jedi practice. Every workout includes high-intensity strength exercises with peak concentration levels and meditation part with prayer in the end. After such morning workout I can work with efficiency of nuclear reactor. But the most powerful source that gives me gigajoules of energy every day is my work, my dream and my passion. When I am on my science research, working with my metal pieces, generate new schemes, looking for spare parts, I can manage without food and sleep for a few days. I feel that this deal moves me forward every day. It is pure passion that completes the whole mind and heart, and that feeling inside my chest is much more powerful than any of my hydrogen reactors. By the way, there is one more energy source that I found this year. Thousands of grateful emails that I get from school and university students from all over the world. A lot of followers write that I help them with their projects, even help them to understand that our universe is not open yet. It's full of new openings and fantastic creations. Guys, there is a very important thing that I want to say to you. First, find the thing that kickstarts your heart, find your true passion, find the thing that really inspires you and gives the power to you, something that you can't live without, something that transforms your life to endless rampage. The second, fulfill your life with this dream, make this passion leading things of your day. I'm sure that we could live in a different world if any of us make his work with such passion. What about my plans? I will definitely go on to make the deal that I do now, with more passion, with more results, more ideas, more blueprints, more power. I will definitely go on the thing with Ironman technologies, not just because I am biggest fan of Tony Stark, but because I want to guide his ideas in real life. Iron Man is not just the most realistic superhero of all time. His idea of using brain to provide yourself with superpowers is the most realistic and right way of humanity progress. What Iron Man costume, reactor and repulsor really are? That's the way how people always get their superpowers, with the help of mind and technologies, with help of pencil and screwdriver. What about my main science and technical direction? To say nothing about my attempts to return 3.5 aux in iPhone, my main direction is still improving hydrogen power stations that can change in practical DC electrolyzer to get pure hydrogen fuel more economically. For example, one of my present technical tasks is designing of a new pulse generator for hydrogen reactor to decompose water molecule with short strikes of high voltage. I am working on it because I see endless potential in hydrogen fuel technologies. Just imagine the future of using the most abundant element in the universe as the most ecological fuel source. Hydrogen fuel cells are already demonstrate more power capacity than lithium batteries. Such fuel cells are already used in aviation as a power source, and the main problem is we need more hydrogen. What about next videos? I don't feel like limiting myself with exact models, but I can definitely claim that my last projects will look like toys according to new ones. Maybe is that the point, to learn how to fly? Travel the world, make cool things, develop technologies to make fantastic things become real. Just a pure creativity without borders and limits. Life is full of extremely interesting things. When I don't hang around in my lab, I journey a lot. I adore riding on a bike across our never-ending Russia lands and opened new countries to myself. I enjoy finding my people all over the world, open the new divides in my research. My biggest dream is to live in the age of universal flying machines, when every person can get and stay wherever he wants, following his dreams. And I truly believe that this time is not far. All I want to do is to make it closer. And I know it for sure. I'm not alone.